Hello businessmen, how are you? In today's video I am going to show you how you can get more customers from Instagram. If you are a local business, if you are a small business catering to a particular small market or a small locality, then this video is for you. Watch it completely, and if you want to gain more customers from social media, then in this video I am going to show you step by step live how you can get customers. So let's start. Influencer marketing is a type of promoting your business or promoting something via influencers. I mean via people who have a great influence on their audience, or they have a good follower base. Those followers are influenced by the decision by the promotion of the main content creator. I mean, if you see big celebrities and all, those all are great influencers. If they promote something, then fans and followers buy those things. So when you promote your product or service or something through some influential person to their audience, then it is called as influencer marketing. So in through Instagram we will do this, and I will show you how to do that. So so this influencer marketing only big brands and celebrities perform, but I will show you how you can, if you are local business, if you are a small business localized in a particular market, then I will show you how to do this. So go on to the search, and in search bar you can go to this places. Here places you have to see. Here you can select nearby places, or if you know that which particular place I want to target, or which where my business is located, then you can directly type here or click on nearby places. You will see many places, okay, near you or your city. And if you are living in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, then you don't need to target whole Mumbai. You just need to type your particular locality, which area you belong to, or which street, or something like that. So after doing this, I will select Ballari itself. Okay, cool. So now I am able to see all the posts. Now these people whom I am seeing, these all are from Ballari. Why I am saying like that? Because when they are posting something under location section, they are adding Ballari. So these people are from my locality. So if I see, and now what you have to do is you have to pick someone. Now while selecting some influencer, you have to see that, okay, if I am seeing him, you have to see their comments, you have to see their profile as well, and you have to know can he become my customer or not. Okay, so here you have to see that before doing these things, so you have to be very much clear about who is your customers, so that you will be able to identify whether these people can be my customer or not, the people who are following them can be my customer or not. So when you identify this, you can go ahead and okay, first you have to identify among these people who can be your customers. So think that he can be your customer. So go on to his profile. Okay, let's go, and you have to see. Okay, the first thing what you have to see is the post, what he is posting, photos he is posting should be consistent. If you see that, okay, it is 23 hours ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 3rd July, 14th July, June, 28th May. Okay, little bit he is consistent. He should not be like posting all the content on one day itself, and from months he is dumb. No, it should not be like that. Okay, at a regular interval he should be posting. So first thing is that. Okay, after that what you have to check is that is whom the people who are liking this posts. Click on the likes and see whether all these people who have liked the photo are real Instagram users or just a bot, because nowadays many of the people just buy likes and buy followers. So I have to see that we can see that these all are followers itself, because the username is specific. The username of the bot be like something ABCD and 1 2 3 4 something like that, random words and numbers, but you can see all the users name are correct. They have a good profile photo. Okay, you can pick some random people, and you can also see that okay, these people are real one. So this is the second check. After checking this, the third thing is you have to check the engagement rate. Now engagement rate is the number of it is a average percentage of people who are liking the post among the followers. Now if we take an example of this, what is the engagement rate of this profile? If you want to check is, then first you see the followers. They have a 240 followers approx, and if I see average likes on their post, that is 88, 94, 100, 96. Okay, we can see that he have approx 90 to 100 posts, sorry, 90 to 100 likes on per post. So the engagement rate is nearly 40-45%, right? So this is very good engagement rate. Now many minimum you have to take 18 to 20%. Below 18 you should not go for. Minimum it should be 18, and if it more than 18 or 20, then it is good. Now this page has a great engagement rate. So if I want to promote my if he post anything in the further, among 200 followers, mostly 80 to 90 people will like it. Okay, so engagement rate is good. Then he is consistent, that is also good. And third thing, all the followers and likes are also human beings, so he is not just have bots. So I can go for him, and he is Ballari, he lives in Ballari. So if I want to if I have a local business in Ballari and I want to promote my product or service, I can promote it through him, because if I post something, if he posts something, then 100 people are liking it. So if I promote my product among just 200 people, 100 people are liking. If 80 to 100 people likes it, then I will get more customers. So let's see what you have to do. You have to select 8 to 10 profiles like this. After these three check, you have to select 8 to 10 profiles. You can select it from here, or you can go here in the recent tab. Okay, yeah, here from here also you can select, or else it will be better to select from top posts only. So okay, so after selecting few posts, few people profiles, we have to note down in the notepad or somewhere you have to note, and note the link URL of this profile, and also you have to note what was the engagement rate for this particular profile. So after that, what you have to do, you have to pick the most highest engagement rate profiles, okay, among 10 to 12 profiles. Think that you select somewhat 8 profiles you have selected. After selecting those 8 profiles, what you have to do, you have to go on to the profile, okay, whichever the profile was. You have to go on to the profile, follow, if you want you can follow them, or just go and message. And I am giving you one script. The script will be in the description box, so copy that script and just paste it here and send it to them. So the script will be will be of asking them for a promotion to be an influencer for your product. We are requesting them, and if they want to continue with us for brand promotion, and they will be paid, then they can contact on particular email or your phone number. So now if they are consistent, they will usually they will see your message, and it is a benefit for them because you are paying them. Then they will definitely call you. Most of the time they call you, because I have also tried it for my 2 clients, and most of them call us, and when they call us, call you, you have to say which product you want to promote through their audience, and what will, your requirements will be. You have to say them that I want I will give you a photo, you have to post it in your feed story, and as well as you have to add a link in your bio. Okay, so let me give you one more thing, that if you want to create your posts, a promotional post on your own, then you can use Canva. Canva is the best tool for creating graphics, for creating posters, banners and all, and it is free of cost. Yeah, it is free of cost. You can create good graphics. It has it already has many templates, you can use them. So I am giving the link in the description. You can follow that link and use the Canva tool, where you can create your own post, and after creating the post you can send that post to them. And for the link, if you don't have a website, and if you don't have a website, what you can do is you can go on to Google Forms or Microsoft Forms. There you can create a small registration form where people will come and fill their name, email and phone number. That's it. So with your posting content, you mention the CTA, that its call to action should be like what contact us to buy this product or to know more about this product. So to contact, click on the link in bio. So this should be the call to action, and whenever they click on the link, they will be redirected to the form. The form will be filled by the people and you will get the information. So after that you can call them or you can message them, and you can ask that and you can sell them the product. If you have a salesman or you have a sales team, then through that you can do it. But if you are a local and small business, you will not have it. Okay, you can call them and you can sell your product. Now you can create a post. The second thing, you can have a link. You can give them a link. Now the question arises, how much should you pay for them? Now this depends on your product as well. Now if you have a product which has a good profit margin, then you can give these influencers a good amount. If your product doesn't have that much of profit margin, then you give very low amount, and you need to try many influencers. You have to DM many influencers. You have to talk to many influencers, 20, 25, 30 influencers, because at a low cost there will be very few influencers who will work with you. So find those people, and if you have a good budget, then I say that it should be 50% of their followers. The engagement rate should be good, and if the followers are 1000, then you can quote them 400 to 500 rupees for a post, story and a link in bio. Okay, just for one day you can tell them. So, and let me give you one pro tip. Whenever you create a post, okay, think that you have selected 5 influencers and you are creating a post. Say them that tell those influencers that I need a photo of yours like this, and with a plain background. Okay, ask for that, and use that photo by removing the background. To remove the background, you can use remove.bg. After removing the background, you can use that photo of influencers in your post. So for each post, you have to download. If you have if you have selected 5 influencers, then you have to make 5 posts with different influencers, and you have to download those 5 posts, and you have to share those posts with them. So why I am saying it, because whenever the people will see the post, they will get influenced by why? Because they will get more trust on your product. Why? Because the people, these people will the audiences of these people think that these people are promoting this product, and the chances of buying it will increases. So whenever they click on their link in the bio, you will get their leads, and now or later you can sell them any of your product, because now they are interested in your product. Okay, this was a simple step-by-step tutorial of how to get customers from Instagram. So from Instagram, many of you don't get customers. So by this you can get a customer. And why I have said that you have to make a well optimized page, because when you will DM these guys, okay, whenever you DM these people, they will first check your profile. Okay, so if your profile is not good, if it looks like you are a fake person, then they will not contact you. So to maintain a good, I mean, authority, then you have to optimize your page and you have to upload a few content. Now the audiences of these people, influencers, will also once visit your page before buying or before clicking on the link. Why? Because just they want to know about you. So if your profile is not good, they will not trust you and they will not buy from you. So it is important to make your profile also well optimized. And if you feel any problem in this process, then you can directly DM me on Instagram, or you can call me on this number. Okay, so whenever you feel like I'm not able to do this method, I'm not able to get customers, you can freely call me or DM me on Instagram. I will be for you free of cost. So I will help you and I will guide you. So thank you. Okay friends, so this was the video, step by step guide. How did you like it? If it was valuable, then please like it, and try to implement this method. It will take you around 1 week to 10 days to get results. And after getting results, if you feel that you got a good results, then come back again to this video and comment below that it was useful. So it will motivate me to make further videos. And in upcoming videos I will also make videos on how to get customers from Google, Facebook and other social media and online platforms. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.